Hey, 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 hey. Check this out. Just right out of yesteryear. We're here in Williams, Arizona. We're on Route 66, historical Route 66. And look what we found here. Wait until you see the rest of it. Are you ready? Pete's Gas Station Museum. Although Pete decided not to open it up today, that won't stop Dano Live and Dano Vision from capturing nostalgia. Right on the corner of South 1st Street and Route 66, Williams, Arizona. You'll find Pete's Gas Station. It's kind of got the colors of golf blue and gold. Maybe it is an old golf station. How cool is that? $49 or $50? What's your guess? Uh-oh, lizards. Looks to be unrestored. No, it might even be a 51. What do you think? There you have it. On the road with Dano. Dano Daycation, Williams, Arizona. Route 66 at Pete's Garage. And I don't mean my fella, my buddy, Pete.